Highway 1 carries us north from Garrapata's open coast toward the wooded edge of Carmel Highlands. The road begins between a steep hillside and the Pacific, with utility lines tracing the same narrow coastal corridor as the highway. Rounded green hills rise ahead while the highway bends gently through the northern part of Garrapata's coastal landscape. Roadside cars and walkers mark one of the informal access points used by visitors exploring the Garrapata headlands and trails. Wind-shaped Monterey cypress trees appear beside the road, a familiar sign that we are approaching the Carmel Highlands area. Fresh rock cuts reveal the rugged coastal geology, while the low evening sun brightens the clouds above the ocean. The ocean returns on the left, glowing beneath broken clouds as Highway 1 follows the edge of a broad coastal terrace. This is the visual transition from open Garrapata grassland to the taller trees and sheltered slopes near Carmel Highlands. Cypress, eucalyptus, and coastal shrubs now frame the roadway, giving this northern stretch a calmer and more enclosed character. Homes are partly hidden among the trees, reflecting the low-density residential landscape that defines much of Carmel Highlands. The famous Bixby and Rocky Creek bridges are now behind us, but their dramatic coastal corridor continues to shape this journey north. Farther ahead, Highway 1 reaches Monastery Beach and the southern entrance to Carmel. For now, the road winds quietly beneath cypress trees as daylight begins to soften. Thanks for traveling with 7080 Working Diary. Our Highway 1 journey continues toward Carmel.